to put on in order to bring the community together. We have dance, we have music, and we have a visual arts show from the school. We also have different markets from local vendors, local artists, and local food. This has been a tradition with the school, so it wasn't a new idea, but we came together to just enhance it a little more each year. I would like to say thank you to all my wonderful colleagues and my students, of course, and of course the parents of our wonderful students who have volunteered and come together to make this event possible.